So hello everyone, it's a pleasure to have us here today. So in today's video, I'll be talking about content creation and I'll be talking about content creators as well. And what do I mean by content creators doing something for themselves despite having beginners on all over social media trying to do something better for themselves? So how do we stay consistent as content creators? So when creating content, you will find out that there are lots of beginners that want to come into this game, and they still have content creators that are encouraging these newbies to come on and see how it goes with them. That everybody can create content. The main thing is the mindset, but you keep your mind to it. So now how do we achieve that? By staying content consistent in creating content. So in today's video, I'll be setting out some things that I've actually noticed over time while starting out in content creation, because I'm a beginner and this is my experience. These are my experiences so far while creating content. And number one, I would say, is when you draft your content ideas. In drafting your content ideas, it helps you to know what you want to talk about. It helps you to know what you want to give out as value to your audience. That is one thing with having a drafted content ideas. And then sometimes you want to think, how do I get those content ideas? YouTube has made it possible that creators can just check the trending dashboard of their YouTube studio to see trending topics that they want to talk on. Or anything can actually be a content idea for you that you want to just put it handy so that whichever one you feel like addressing at that time, you can discuss on it, or not just discussing about it. If it has to do with a tutorial, you can put it out there for your audience to find value in what you have for them. And another one is, which is number two, is keeping a schedule. So now, in keeping a schedule and also staying consistent as a content creator, you want to know, how do I want to go about posting? Do I want to do it weekly? Do I want to do it daily or monthly? Because sometimes in creating content, if you don't have a schedule, you don't even actually know how to go about dishing out those valuable contents that you want to share with your audience. But when you keep a schedule, you say, okay, look, I've actually shot this video for so period of time, and this one will take me a week's schedule. It will take me a week to post this thing. You can schedule those posts so that you are not choked up with creating content for your audience. So when you keep a schedule, okay, you say I want to post Mondays, or I want to create content on Mondays, because when you have a video to create, you may say, okay, look, on Mondays I'm out to create this content, and this is on these days I also edit them and whatever. So the choice is left for any content creator, but the main thing is, once you keep a schedule and you are regular with it, do not just go behind on your schedule unless things comes up. But you want to say, look, once I have this schedule, I know that Mondays are my content creation days, or Tuesdays are for editing my videos, and then I upload on certain days. So when you follow that trend in keeping schedule, it will help you as a content creator. And now the other one is when you stay focused and avoid distractions. Being a content creator, you are always on social media. And even without being a content creator, you can still find yourself on social media, because, and there's this syndrome of, once you're on social media, you keep on scrolling. There are so many things that can actually catch your attention, that may draw your attention and make you forget why you actually came there to either post or to either do something on that social media account of yours. To just keep your focus. If you know that, look, this period to this period, I want to just go through my social media account and see what I can do. Like somebody would say, are you someone that just consumes information on social media? Are you not creating yourself? So if actually you are on social media as a content creator, bear in mind that you are there to create content. You may draw content ideas when you scroll, but how long do you spend on that social media account, just consuming without having those ideas that, look, okay, let me go about and create my content. Like I've had an issue whereby I had to disable my TikTok account for the time being when I was starting out because I was always distracted. Whenever I want to create content, I find out that let me just see what is happening there. And before you know it, I'm watching all these things. It is not bad actually to use TikTok, not at all. But I'm saying the only way that I could help myself to start off was just disabling it because whenever I just start watching a particular video, it takes me hours. I wouldn't know when time goes by just because I knew that I actually came there to either post or I came there to do something for myself or say, okay, look, I want to edit my videos. But because something happened, I just let me watch a video and it took me to other videos. Because sometimes when you make out time and said, okay, look, I want to do this from this time to this time. I want to use this time to create content and just be at it, not just scrolling. Go and achieve that thing that you said you want to achieve that day for yourself. Because that's why it's good when you have your content ideas ready. We've actually scheduled that, say, okay, look, on Mondays, I'm out to create my content. Do not allow anything to distract you from creating those contents on that day. So just put your mind to it and say, look, I want to be focused. I do not want to come here to just start scrolling. So once you're done with why you came onto your social media profile and you've achieved it for that day, you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. But just keep your mind focused to creating content on that particular day you've scheduled for it, and then avoid distractions. So the main thing is giving yourself that time. And then the other one I want to share as well is you should be consistent. Be consistent with creating content. Sometimes, or most times rather, for beginners, we may find ourselves being discouraged if we do not have um, people encouraging us to create content. Encouraging us this time around may not be our friends, not friends and family, because of you made that video for a particular audience to watch your video. And now what happens when you upload that video and you don't get any views? And besides, your watch hour is just there. It may discourage you though from creating content. But the main thing is, are you consistent with creating content? Even if you don't have any views at that time, do you see yourself saying to yourself that, look, I want to create this content despite not having the viewers at this time. I just want to see it that this is a documentation of my skills, or this is a documentation of my journey, or this is me sharing my knowledge to people that would need it someday, sometime. So once you are consistent with creating content, it is something that would really help you as a content creator, because one thing I love about so many content creators I've actually bumped into on social media is the fact that they tend to encourage beginners. They make you see it that they were once like us, or they were once like you as a beginner, that you shouldn't despair, you shouldn't give up, but you just come out and create those content that as the journey progresses, you'll find out that you will get better. So don't stop creating those content. And besides, they say practice makes for improvement, or some people say practice makes perfect. There's nothing perfect though, but practice once the more you do something, the better you become at it. So once you are consistent with content creation, once you are consistent with what you are doing by giving valuable knowledge or by sharing valuable topics to your audience, you would win them over with time. So even though you may not be seeing the result at that time, just bear in mind that over time you will find results in what you're doing. So just be consistent in creating your contents on social media. Do not despair. Even here on YouTube, find yourself that I want to do this, even if I do not have the views, even if I do not have the engagement. I just want to be consistent in creating content. And then the other one is to maintain a healthy routine. And now find look at it this way. As a content creator, most successful content creators, or some of them that I know, are full-time content creators. So they do it full-time. When they create this content, you will realize that they are mainly indoors creating content. And you want to look at it this way because, as a content creator who spends more time in creating content, if you're not careful as a beginner, sometimes because you are trying to start a new career, you want to see how you want to maintain a healthy routine for yourself. Because in creating content, you are at a place, either seated or doing that thing. And if you're not careful, you may end up being a sedentary person. So do not allow that thing to affect you despite creating content. You want to keep yourself fit. At least make out time to just move about, take an exercise, take a walk, exercise, drink water. Because most times, like in video editing takes hours, sincerely. video editing takes hours when you're into editing. And when you bring out your time that I want to do this, I want to create this content, before you know it, hours has gone by. So if those hours they've gone by, how do you want to keep yourself fit? Do you still stand up to become active yourself and not just sit down there after you're tired, you go to sleep, you eat junk and all the rest of it. So just keep yourself fit. So despite creating content, you still want to live a healthy life, having that time for yourself health wise to take a rest. And because ordinarily you have other things you're doing, so you want to keep a healthy balance of yourself as a content creator, or rather you want to keep a healthy lifestyle for yourself as a content creator. So why I'm sharing this is because this is my experience recently while started while this is my experience recently while creating content. And I see that over time I'm actually improving even the way I talk. It's not the way I was talking before, but I want to see it as something that I want to be consistent with it. So that's my video for today. I really appreciate the time. If you watched to the end, thank you so very much. Please do leave a like to this video, and I'll appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and to have a lovely day. Bye.